Okay, this is us pulling this conduit up, getting ready to glue all the pieces.
Hello.
And what I've done is I've used a clamp on the bulb end, and improvised using a pulp hook in the clamp. She walks ahead of me, holds the wire up, and then I just pull the thing on. Goes easy as heck. You can watch us doing the next one. A lot easier than it was with just one person, I'll tell you.
You're stubborn, you wouldn't raise. Not much help, but I do help.
Actually, every time we go up here, it's 10 feet shorter.
Yes, dear. You all right? Oh, wait a minute. Ooh, it doesn't want to bend when I get this, does it?
No, pick it up if you want.
All right, breathe.
And that's how easy it is.
Only 10 more to go or 9 more to go?
10 more to go.
Yay!
Ends up being over 200 feet long. Like I said, all I'm using is just an Irwin quick clamp and a hook. Alright, I'm not going to show any more of this because it's just repetitive. Alright, so I've finished running the conduit. And I'll show you what we got. I'm saving this last piece to hook up because you can see we probably I got at least 10 feet extra. This was out of a 200-foot roll, so done pretty good at estimating it. This is where it goes up in the box. And then under the driveway, about 18 inches. And then all the way up. All the way up to the build. Alright, now begins a tough job, burying it. So I've got the hole somewhat filled in across the driveway. You can see I've put the required buried electric line over it. It's probably about 6 inches above it anyway, in this area. So I'll get some clean fill to fill in the rest of this, and then spread all that crushed rock back over. So you can see we've started burying it in, getting the driveway back to the way that it was, with all the crushed rock. You can see Honey over there, she's working like a dog.
Hi! How y'all doing?
She's doing a good job. I'm going to let the camera watch her for a little while. Okay.
Instead of me trying to pull this over here, maybe you should just get another one.
No load and dump it. Yep.
From, like...
You can pack that one down, but...
I'm trying to pack it on the side here, but there's about 4 inches that has to be filled in here.
Yep.
Bring in another load.
So we've just about got the rock spread, but I got to get the camera out of the way, so I think you've got the idea of what we're doing. So we got the rock all put back. Now it's just a matter of burying the rest of it. And you can see we got a long ways to go. But the driveway is done once again. And I think I'd already showed you how we covered over the driveway. Since then, we've filled in this area. And it's a work in progress. I'll have to smooth it all up, obviously. There's our well water pipes. The farthest one is a shut-off that goes over to the RV water station. And the closest one is one that I had planned a few years back that would go to the house. And there it is. It is. We put in a water line, and the water line goes right along, and you can't see it, but yeah, you can just barely make it see it coming out of the hole there. But we're putting in, we're bedding the cable and bedding the water pipe. They're both plastic, so no issues. So I'm going to let this run for a little while, so you can see what we've been up to. Alright, I'm going to go turn the water on because I want to know if we got any water way up there. It's a gravity feed well, so if the well, which is way up that hill, if it's higher than the house, we'll have gravity feed water. So, we'll find out. Are you ready? I just turned it on. Yes? Got water! Hey! So what that means is that even if we lose power, we'll still have water. Because the well is higher than the house. Oh yeah, you're on camera. Give a wave. What a worker. Yeah, it's only 90 degrees out. We've filled the ditches to within 12 or 18 inches from the surface, or the finished grade. And we've got all the electrical conduit buried and tape, electrical tape warning, all in the trench. Now, today is June 24th, and you can see it's a beautiful, beautiful blue sky. It's early. It's only 6:42, but it's already 75 degrees out here. And it's supposed to get up to like 90. So I'm going to backfill just a little bit so we can drive up to the cottage. And yeah, so I'm going to let the camera run. I'll let that pack in some with rain and what have you, and pick out some of the rocks that's on top. A lot of clay. Pick out some of the rocks that's on top and we'll be good to go. So anyway, thanks for watching. That's us burying all this lines in there, doing the water line, everything we had to do. Thanks again for watching.